So now what's
Okay.
your name?
My name is Kushi. So, uh, yeah, good
Who?
morning to you.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm good. What about you?
I am great. Thank you for asking. So,
Your name is very, lovely. Khushi. That means happy.
yeah, thank you. And please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? Of course. I'm Yogendra Kumar. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I did graduation, BCA. My hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers like you, and exploring new things. That is my introduction. So I want to know about you. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Kushi. I study in second standard. I am 7 years old, and yeah, my hobbies are playing piano and draw drawings. Um, and my school name is Piaspi School MMS Sector 6, and my aims are I want to be a doctor as well as a successful YouTuber, and
Yeah,
my YouTube channel name is Great English with Baby.
that's great. May all your wishes come true. God will definitely will support you, okay, and will help you to reach your goal. So please, I would like to know about, your father's name. What is your father name?
Yeah, my father name is Prakash Sharma, and my father is an engineer.
Is an engineer, okay. And what is your mother name?
My mother name is Komal Sharma, and she is a homemaker. So, yeah, that's great. So, do you not have any YouTube channel?
Sorry.
Do you not have any YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, so can you tell me your YouTube channel name?
Yeah, I will tell. Okay. Actually, where I have 6,000 plus subscriber. So I will tell everything after, in the conversation. First, let's, I would like to know lot of things. I would like to ask a lot of things from you. Okay. So your hobbies is, one of your hobbies is playing piano.
Yeah.
So who taught you?
My father taught me to play piano, and I like it. So, tell me, in which family you live? Nuclear family or joint family?
Yeah, I live in my nuclear family.
How many members are there in your family?
There are, four members in my family. Me, my wife, and my parents.
Okay. Um, yes, I also live in the nuclear family, and there are three members in my family: my father, my mother, and me. So, can you tell me what are the benefits of joint family?
Yeah, joint family. There we will get, a lot of, environment, and we can have conversation, chat, and in joint what did you say?
Benefit.
Yeah, benefit. So benefit one, we get help, and there are lot of benefits. Okay. So first, hello. How many friends do you have?
I have many friends, and yeah, so I have less subscribers. Please, can you say to your subscribers and you have conversation with them? Please subscribe my channel.
Of course, I will, request all my viewers to subscribe your channels and help you. And I will also help you as much as I can. Okay?
So,
Yeah.
can you tell me some tips about increasing our subscribers?
Yeah, increasing your subscribers only. You need to keep doing. Okay, keep uploading one videos every day, and keep speaking English. You are very nice. Definitely one day you will be successful. Okay, and your English is very amazing. You speak very fluently. Okay, at this age.
Thank you. And you also speak very fluently. So,
Correct.
what video do you upload on your YouTube channel?
Sorry,
What type of video you upload on your YouTube channel?
I upload only English related videos. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So please, when do you get up?
Sorry?
Please tell me your daily routine.
Okay. My daily routine, yeah, I get up at 6 o'clock, then I brush and like bath, and then I have my breakfast, then I ready for my school, and I do my backpack. Then I go to my school, and then I study there, and then I come back. Uh, then I have something like lunch, and then I study because nowadays are my exams going on,
Okay.
and then I have some rest because I get so tired.
Yeah, of course you will get tired. So you know what? Does your mother teach English?
No, my both parents, like my mother and my father, both teach me English.
Okay. So what did you learn today in the early morning?
In the early morning, I learn like every day. I learn some new words.
New words. So did you learn any new words today?
Yes, I learned many new words.
Okay. So would you like to share with me?
Yes, sir. Like there are many new words, and some of them are. I learned new words from the books, and some of them new words are like advised. One of the advice is advising someone, and other advice is taking advice from someone.
Okay. Okay. So do you read book?
Yes, we read books.
Okay, that's great. So what do you like? In your cooking. What type of you know books do you like?
I like Ramayana books, Mahabharata books, that type of books.
Okay, that's great. So do you have any question you can ask?
Yeah, sure. So, your hobbies are like, why do you like your hobbies?
Actually, why do I like my hobbies, right? Actually, they help me to improve myself. So that's why I like my hobbies.
Okay, so like, how do you get interested in your hobbies?
In my hobbies, actually, this I love to do what I am doing. So that's why you know, I get interested in that.
Okay, and yeah, if you want to like, why I interested in my hobbies, because in a music, piano and the music are the same, because in then we play piano now, then I get to, so like I get peace, and I think this is very peaceful.
Yes, of course.
In your family, who do you like most?
Yeah, I like my parents the most,
And why?
because actually, they uh, give me everything. They give me everything, money. They take care of me, and they helped me in everything, and what I have today given by them.
Okay, so where are you from?
I am from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So do you know the the stampede of the Mahakumbh
Yeah,
Prayagraj?
oh, I know about yeah, stampede about Mahakumbh. There were lot of people died.
Yes, and yeah, there was many people died, and because of if the people were sleeping, and the people crushed the people who were sleeping, it was very painful.
Yes, it was very painful. So have you visited there? Ever have
Um,
you visited there?
no, I didn't visit
Where are you
there
from?
because we can go in not we can go a little bit like there was a
Where
big.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rajasthan.
You are from Rajasthan. Okay, that is very lovely state.
Thank you. So, can you tell me the benefits of going in that type of place like the Mahakumbh?
Yeah, actually, there are a lot of benefits. You go there, then you will see, environment, and you will meet, science, and you will learn something new. Okay, there are, river, three rivers, Yamuna, Ganga, Saraswati, and you will see lot of things over there. Okay,
Okay, that's great. And if I tell the benefits of the going that type of place, like if someone goes, so he can go, but if we can advise them, like because the many people died and someone goes, so he can also die. But now is not that tough, that crowd. Like we can go in little bit crowd. Like in our place, there is not
yeah,
that type of crowd.
yeah. So, okay, so should we end the conversation? You speak very fluently.
Thank you. So please subscribe my channel, share my channel, and comment on
After
my
time, I
channel.
will subscribe your channel. Okay.
Okay, so which is your favorite state?
My favorite state, yeah,
Yeah.
Uttar Pradesh, where it is my state where I born and brought up.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you are very great person. You will success in your life,
thank you
and
for appreciating, and you are very cute, very lovely, and you speak very fluently. Your English is amazing. Okay, keep doing.
thank you. So
Yeah,
yeah, have a great day. Bye.
okay, you too. Nice. See you later.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.